video lecture, we will discuss about plant-fungus interactions in the mycorrhiza. At home, we might have seen fungi causing food spoilage like this. But you know, they also help plant to grow better. Fungi are one of the key components of soil microbes. The fungi which lives in association with plant roots are known as rhizosporic fungi. These fungi are involved in biodegradation, mineralization, and symbiotic non-symbiotic association with plants. Among rhizosporic fungi are rhizosporic mycoflora. Few fungi lives in mutualistic association with plant roots. This association is known as mycorrhiza. The term mycorrhiza was coined by Albert Bernard Frank. It means fungus root. For efficient nutrient uptake, most of the land plants are associated with mycorrhiza. In nature, approximately 90% of the land plants are infected with mycorrhiza. In it, 83% for dicots, 79% monocots, 100% gymnosperms. This indicates that they are co-evolved with plants. Now coming to the beneficial effects of mycorrhizosporic interaction. Mycorrhizal association influences litter decomposition, nutrient cycling rates, supply mineral nutrients to the plant, increases plant productivity, and confers resistance to stress. Protects host plant against root pathogen attack, influences above ground herbivore grazing, influences soil aggregation and soil fertility, plant-plant communication through common mycorrhizal network, and also affects plant competition and plant community structure. Types of mycorrhiza. Broadly, there are two types of mycorrhiza. One is ectomycorrhiza, endomycorrhiza. Let me explain you about ectomycorrhiza. As you see in the picture, fungal hyphae forms a dense cover over the root surface from which fungal hyphae grows into the cortical cells and forms a Harting net. These fungal hyphae do not penetrate the cell walls or the cortical cells. Harting net increases the surface area of contact between the fungus and the plant, from which mineral nutrients are transferred to the plant and carbon to the fungus takes place. Coming to the endomycorrhiza. In the case of endomycorrhiza, fungal hyphae grows into the cortical cells and form a highly branched structure known as arbuscle. It looks like a fan-shaped structure. Sometimes these fungal hyphae forms coils or vesicles. Endomycorrhiza further divided into following types: vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, arbuscular mycorrhiza, specialized archid mycorrhiza, and ericoid mycorrhiza. Few mycorrhiza function as ecto and endomycorrhiza. We call it as ectendomycorrhiza. We will see each one of them briefly. Arbuscular mycorrhizal association or AM association is the most abundant of all mycorrhizal associations.
The establishment of AM symbiosis begins with the colonization of compatible roots by hyphae produced by AM asexual spores or mycorrhizal roots. This follows the formation of oppressorium and subsequent entrance into the cortex to form arbuscules. Here, if it forms vesicles, then it is known as vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza.
Orchid mycorrhiza found in plant family Orchidaceae. Orchids are obligatorily dependent on mycorrhizal fungi. Here, the orchid seeds after germination reaches a protocome stage where epidermal hairs are displayed. Protocome waits till 6 months to get infected with mycorrhiza. If it won't get infected with mycorrhiza, the protocome dies. So there won't be any orchid plant further. Therefore, orchids are obligatorily dependent on mycorrhizal fungi. Ericoid mycorrhiza, the fungus that forms mycorrhizal association with plant families Ericaceae, Empiceraceae, Epicardiaceae are referred to as ericoid mycorrhiza. Most Ericaceae species characteristically grown in nutrient-poor acidic soils. So, ericoid mycorrhizal fungi helps in the uptake of nitrogen and phosphorus. Now, which type of fungi is found in mycorrhizal association? In most of the mycorrhizal association, fungi belongs to Glomeromycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina is found. Arbuscular mycorrhiza are placed in 4 orders. These are Archaeosporales, Diversisporales, glomerals, paraglomerals. Most frequently found AM fungal species in soil are known as Glomus, Scutellospora, Ambiospora, Acalospora, and Archaeospora.
Let us know about how mycorrhizal formation is initiated. It occurs by the germination of AM fungal soil propagules or asexual spores or mycorrhizal roots. As you can see in the picture, after germination of the AM spore, there is a formation of a specialized fungal cell, that is Appressorium. It is formed in fungal plant pathogens to infect host plants. Appressorium is a flattened hypalprecine organ from which a minute infection peg grows and enters the host plant. Entrance into the cortex to form a specialized structure, that is arbuscule or vesicle. For the formation of arbuscular mycorrhizal symbiosis, there should be a chemical communication during early stages between the plant and the fungus. The chemical signaling molecules are strigolactons produced by plants, Mick factors produced by fungi. Coming to the strigolactons, these are plant hormones present in the root exudates of wide range of plants. Production and exudation of strigolactons are dependent on nutrient availability. Strigolactons stimulate the branching and growth of symbiotic arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi and increases the probability of contact and establishment of symbiotic association between plant and fungi. The other molecule, Mick factors, are released by fungi in response to strigolactons. Mick factors trigger symbiotic root responses and leading to the formation of arbuscule. What is the application of this study? Spores or propagules of mycorrhizal fungi are being used widely as biofertilizers for various crop plants.
To summarize, mycorrhiza is a mutualistic association between plant and the fungi. This association helps plant to protect from root pathogen attack and also from various stress. Approximately 90% of land plants are associated with mycorrhiza. There are two types of mycorrhiza, ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. Strigolacton and Mick factor is necessary to have AM symbiosis. Strigolactons are produced by plants. Mick factors are produced in response to strigolacton by fungi.
Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.